Hope everyone had a great week this week, and welcome into the Friday market close. This is the trading table, and today we're going to be going over some of the best plays today, some big money plays to hold over the weekend maybe, and our outlook for next week. Looking at the heat map here, we can see that the S&P 500 finished pretty neutral today. A few reds, few greens, nothing too crazy. Jumping over to SPY real quick. SPY had a nice dip here, all the way down to 527. It has been chopping around today, just trying to break through these highs here, but hasn't been successful yet. Jumping over to NVIDIA now. NVIDIA had quite a downtrend today, right? Market open, really steep downtrend, tried to come back up and just kept trending down. We had a low here of 918, which for NVIDIA these past couple of days is kind of surprising because it has been pretty high and earnings are coming up next week. I'm sure there's going to be a hype train next week for NVIDIA, so be on the lookout for a momentum play there. Looking at China stocks now, we're looking at BABA here. BABA had a great move at open to the upside all the way at 90, and if you do remember, I did say picking up shares here would have been a really nice idea. If you did follow that advice, sure, you're doing great right now, right? BABA moved pretty nicely. China stocks in general, JD and BD reported this week, so everything good in the China stock department. Jumping over to our big money play we called out a few days ago, BHP, right? I said be careful of this as the buyer of the big money trade might have halved their position. Nevertheless, still had a great trend up today. I'll throw up on the screen some profits here that we made in our Discord from this big money play call out. If you did play this, congratulations. This was a great move, great return. Jumping over to Landon now for our big money plays going into next week.
Yeah, so for our first big money play, we have a put option contract for ticker symbol IWM. It's at a strike price of 202 with an expiration date of 6/21/2024. There's a total premium count of 917K and a total volume of 4.49K. I'm really liking the downtrend with this one, and just keep a close eye on that one. And then for our next one, it's a call option contract for ticker symbol TLT at a strike price of 92 and an expiration date of 6/21/2024 with a total premium count of 870K and a total volume of 7K. And then for our last one, which is my favorite, it's for ticker symbol SMH. It's a call at a strike price of 235 with a total premium count of 2.01 million at an expiration of 6/21/2024 and has a total volume of 3.07K. I'm really loving these, and back to you, Andrew.
Yeah, this SMH play is crazy. A lot of money going into it. These option contracts are very expensive, though, so be careful going into this as the big money buyer did buy up this dip here. So look for entry on Monday. I wouldn't suggest getting into any of these, today or later today, if especially for SMH because it has extended trading. Looking at IWM here, definitely a downtrend here for the past few days. This could be a great move because the strike price is way, way out of the money here. And we're going to need to see a nice move soon for that big money play to follow through. We're definitely going to be watching IWM here closely come Sunday and Monday for potentially some entry here. It might downtrend a bit this weekend, so we'll definitely be keeping an eye on it. Be sure to check out our free Discord there because we're going to be posting when we enter and giving advice and whatnot. Jumping over to earnings now. Not a lot going on next week, to be honest. We do have PDD reporting. We did play PDD a few days ago for a big money trade. We have Lowe's, Zoom on Monday. Zoom will definitely be something to watch here. Zoom has had some interesting movement these past few days. And the big one, we have NVIDIA reporting after close on Wednesday. Would definitely not recommend playing these earnings. NVIDIA is going to be very volatile, but you know what I would recommend? Playing the hype train leading up to it because I guarantee there's going to be a substantial hype train leading up to NVIDIA. We also have Billy reporting, so keep an eye on that for some China stock movement. But that's all for today, guys. Hope everyone had a great trading week. Be sure to check out our free Discord. Link is in the description, and we'll see you guys on Sunday.